Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing this ADIMO, hopefully I pronounced that right, safe. Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get and how it works. Okay, before we go ahead and show you the safe, you get an instruction manual. We want to go ahead and show you the different accessories. You get 2 main keys, 2 more keys. You get a battery backup box, which is very important. You also have these little legs. And 2 bolts if you decide to bolt it down into the floor or into the wall. Those are the accessories that you get. Here we can take a look at the beautiful safe. Keyhole number 1, press down for keyhole number 2. You have your keypad right in the center here. Now let me show you, we'll go over the battery box. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. Just like this, AA batteries. Now the battery box is a backup. You want to hide this somewhere in your home. You don't want this in the safe. So please make sure you don't have it in the safe. You put the batteries inside here. And basically what happens is, let's say this system runs out of battery and you can't use your keypad and for some reason you can't find your keys, this key, what you would do is you would put batteries in here. You would take this part right here underneath it and plug it in. This will draw from this. You know what, we can actually demonstrate it for you. Okay, right now you see as we press the keys, there's no power because we didn't put batteries in this main keypad. Watch this. We take this, plug it in. Now, you can see we have power. So that is just a battery backup in case, you ever need it, which is a really smart feature this company offers. Okay, up next, might get a little confusing for some. Now, to open this safe, there's a couple options. You can use the keypad and these keys, or you can use both of these keys and not the keypad. Now, since there's no battery in this, what you do is you take this key, we line it up, we unlock it, take this key, line it up, unlock it, and now this allows us to lift the safe wide open. Inside here you can see it is a double shelf. Now I do believe you can take the shelf out if you want. There's pins over here that you could actually bend up, not really pins, but you could bend them up with a flathead screwdriver if you wanted to take the shelf out. I kind of like it in there. I think it's nice for being in there. As you can see though, there's plenty of room on the top and bottom for all your collectibles. On the side here, you also have these key rings where you can put some extra keys or spare keys or whatever you want. Let's go ahead and take a look at the top here. If you open this up, you're going to see you can put batteries inside here. Now, you can go ahead and put 2 AA batteries or, well, I'm not exactly sure. Oh no, okay. That's actually all together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. We're going to go ahead and take our AA batteries like this, line it up how it shows. So the plus is going to go the whole way up here. And we're going to have the minus like this, just like that. And the plus is going to go up there and like that. Okay, once you have that on, you can go ahead and close it back up just like that. Now, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this from the camera, but right back behind this door, right in here, there's a green button. This will allow you to actually reset the keypad to whatever you want. So we go ahead and rotate this around, lift this up so we can show you. We can keep that key in. If you're going to use the keypad, you don't have to have this key in or around. And we're going to use the keypad. So let's see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, alarm went off. because we entered the wrong password. So it's a safety feature. Now, for resetting the password, remember I told you that there's a button behind here? By the way, there is also a little LED light back here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a green button. If you press that button and then enter a password 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pound, it sets a new password. So now that's going to be our password. So we drop this here, lock it up. If we lock it, we can't open this up. This key and this key can open it. Or this key and the password can open it. But this key alone does nothing. So you could keep this key inside here if you really wanted to. Now, without these keys, even this 1, 2, 3, 4 pound, you can't do anything. You can't open it. So you still need this key to always open it, no matter what option you're going with. Now, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 pound. Now we can unlock it and we can twist and lift up. It's so simple, yet it's so sophisticated. I love how they designed the locking mechanism. And what's really nice, if you have the safe laying like this, if you twist the key, you can actually lift it up with that, and it's not going to slam down on your hand like some of the other safes. So you can lift it up and place it back down like that. Overall, I love this. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if we do 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1. There. After a certain amount of wrong, the security goes off. If you enter the code in 1, 2, 3, 4 pound, the correct code, it goes off again. Overall, it is a very nice safe, high quality. I recommend this brand 100%. I personally own multiple safes from this brand. They are honestly my go-to safe brand. Someday I hope to upgrade to like a really, really massive safe. That would be cool to be able to review that for you guys. But I love this safe. I think you're going to like it too. It is a lot of fun. And not just that, it gives you a peace of mind. It is not 100% fireproof. However, having a safe is better than having your valuables out in the open or somewhere else. So my friends, if you are if you really want something 100% fireproof, you could always fireproof it yourself. You can buy kits and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, that's besides the point. It's just a great peace of mind safe that's built tough.